Hi Rockstars, I'm Aly, your Rockstar Bar Girl. And this is supposed to be my course commercial. My plan was to make some really epic commercial with a lot of shiny graphics and some inspirational music. And I'll probably get around to doing that at some point. But there's something that's been weighing on my heart, and I really needed to share it with you. As you know, I've been working on the RockStar Bar Girl Masterclass Course 1 for the last few months. And I am so proud of all of the topics and material that we're gonna cover in this course. But more than any particular piece of knowledge, technique, or tip, one word has been playing over and over and over in my head, and that is confidence. Confidence. More than anything, I want each of you to walk away from my course with the confidence that you can do this. The other day, I was reminded of a time in my bartending career where confidence made a world of difference. You may not know this, but I lived in DC for 2 years, and when I was out there, I found myself having a hard time getting a bartending job. One day I decided to just walk into one of the gentlemen's clubs in my neighborhood, even though I'd never bartended in a gentlemen's club before. I spoke with the manager and I got the job, which is great news. But as soon as I walked out of there, I got really, really nervous. I started to worry that I wasn't the right person for this job, or that I wouldn't be able to handle it once I started. I went home that night and I didn't crack open a cocktail book. I didn't look up the coolest, trendiest drinks in DC. I didn't do anything like that. Instead, I went to one of those websites where you can customize your own bar tools, and I got myself a custom speed opener with my name on it and an edgy, badass design that just made me feel the part. It made me feel like I looked the part, and I felt like I fit in. Thinking about this story reminded me of how important it is for every bartender to have their own tools. Having your own tools does wonders for building your confidence and getting you ready for going out there. So I'm so happy to announce that everyone who purchases the RockStar Bar Girl Masterclass Course 1, The Fundamentals Every Bartender Must Know, is going to receive a free RockStar BarKit. Every single one of you, everyone who signs up, you'll automatically get a kit sent to you in the mail. We cover a lot of material in Course 1, and I know that it is everything that you need to go out there and get a great job. But I know that having your own tools is really going to do wonders for your confidence. If you're just interested in the RockStar Bar Kit, that's fine. It's still available on my site, but everybody who purchases the course is going to get a free kit, complete with every tool you need, not only to practice along with all of the techniques that we cover in the course, but just to build your confidence, make you feel ready, make you feel like a bartender. So please head on over to therockstarbargirl.com, click on Course 1, The Fundamentals Every Bartender Must Know, sign up, fill out your address, get your kit, and let's do this. At the end of this course, you are going to have the tools, the knowledge, and the confidence you need to go out there and get a rockstar bartending job. Bye, Rockstars.
I'm a rock star.